Discipline keeps you consistent, but strategy keeps you powerful. So, what is the one thing that you need to change in your routine in order for your performance to elevate? Whether you are in sport, whether you are in business, longevity is so important. And so, everyone, or every contract, every post, every choice should be like a move on a chessboard where you are moving the pawns around, or moving the king around, or moving the queen around, putting it in place to better yourself or your future. So it's important that we think like a CEO and not just a player. So whether you are currently in your player phase or after you are done playing and you've retired, like what is your thought process now and your strategy to keep you at the table or in the room after the game changes? And so let's touch on 4 important things. Longevity keeps you in the game. Adaptation keeps you relevant. Discipline keeps you consistent, but strategy keeps you powerful.